Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to downgrade your Squarespace plan. This is squarespace.com, and to downgrade your subscription, first you need to log in to your account by filling your email address and password. Now click on these three dots next to your website or desired website and click on billing. Click on subscriptions, and below active subscriptions, click on the subscription you want to downgrade, and next to business plan, or it may be personal plan or any plan, click on change. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And you can downgrade your plan just like that. Select the one you want to downgrade to. Now select your billing cycle. If you need to pay annually or monthly, I will go with monthly for example. And I skipped this address and payment step because I already have my address on file, and same thing with my payment method. Now all you need to do is to click on confirm in order to downgrade. And this is how to downgrade your Squarespace plan easily. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe.